Today, inshallah, we'll study a new role in tajweed roles. Okay?
Okay.
This role is one of the roles of noon, sakina, and tanween roles. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. The first role is called izhar. What's it called?
It's hard.
Yes. The correct pronunciation of noon with sukoon or tanween is depend on the next letter come after it. Okay? And we'll study now the first role, which is called izhar. Okay? Izhar means clarity or appearance. Okay?
Okay.
So the rule is simply if you find any of the 6 letters of izhar come after noon with sukoon or tanween, then we have to say the noon clearly. That's why it's called izhar or clarity. Okay? You have to say clearly if you find any of the 6 letters of izhar. So we must know the 6 letters of izhar and memorize them. Okay?
Okay.
So these 6 letters are hamza, ha, ain, and ha, then ghain and kha. Okay? Again, so these 6 letters are izhar letters. Okay? Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. Can you say them?
Hamza ha, ain ha, ghain ha.
Exactly. These are the 6 letters of
Um,
izhar.
is hard.
Yeah, izhar rule. So if you find any of these 6 letters come after noon sakina or noon with sukoon, like this example. Look, this noon with sukoon, right?
Okay.
Yeah, and there is a hamza come after it, right?
Yeah.
Is the hamza from the 6 letters of izhar here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so what should we do? We should say the noon with sukoon clearly without prolonged ghunna. So we have to say it like that. Min ahli.
Min ahli.
Yes, excellent. So we shouldn't say it with prolonged ghunna, like min ahli. No, 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 no. It's incorrect. We have to say the noon with sukoon clearly without prolonged ghunna. That's why the role is called clarity or izhar. Okay?
Okay.
So, can you guess how can we say this word?
Yanha.
Excellent. Is there izhar rule here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why?
Because there's a ha after the noon with sukoon.
Perfect. There is a ha come after noon with sukoon. Look, and the ha is from the 6 letters of izhar. Then what should we do? We have to say the noon with sukoon clearly. Yes, perfect.